Busy today. Look at that. Just getting there. Just got all those things on the truck to go. This truck squat pretty good. It's got a heavy load on, believe it or not. That's heavy stuff in there. Let's throw that on for the morning. And I've got a little bit of stuff to clean up here and rake that. All this stuff here is going to be thrown on the truck. Just number one down here is bucket. Has to be transferred buckets and thrown. I gotta check these, see if they're aluminum. If they're aluminum, they're just being thrown right away. Gotta take this in, clean it up. The cast aluminum. A couple of jobs like that we do this evening. Some more cast aluminum there. So yeah, we'll catch inside there, clean something up there in a bit, and start making some money. Cheers, see you in a bit. Not gonna do much today. We're just trying to check a couple of things out here. Clean up some aluminum. This aluminum here is gonna be cleaned up. This piece here. Start with this piece here because it looks like it's the easiest. I'm gonna get down there. You go. So yeah, we got all the work done on the side there today. Beautiful today. It was like 17 or 18 degrees Celsius out there today. Awesome weather. Never seen something in there like that before. Red thing. See if we can get that out. Yep. There we go. Now, Monsieur Meganetti. All right. That's strange. All right. So, gonna take the grinder, cut down through there on both sides. So, watch your ears, guys. There we go. That'll clean her out. Yep. That cap's steel on there. So, open this sucker up here a bit. Set that like that. Pop. Nothing went. Look at that. Nice clean cast aluminum. Got quite the pile. We're going tomorrow. We're not going to bother taking the copper off like this. Once you're pretty sure this stuff's aluminum. Yeah. Yep. Dirty aluminum. This thing here. Carburetor. More dirty aluminum. I know this is what do you call it? Copper. So take out these 4 things here. Maybe. Maybe not. Let's see what's the smallest one of these. Oh, that's a rivet, that's why. Is that aluminum? If so, they can stay on. Actually, this whole thing is steel. Ah, shred. Fooled me. That's steel. More shred. All right. So, now clean this thing out. I get my extruded. I got some in there and a bucket, and I got a bunch of pieces out in the truck. All right, watch your ears, guys. Yeah. All right. So now, get a pair of pliers. Start pulling out this wood. Get all that wood out of here. You guys slide out. A little bit of encouragement, I think so. There we go. One little piece left in here. Well, a couple. There, that's nice and clean. Now, put this side here, it's plastic. It's up there for now. I gotta cut down through this side here, the ends. Yeah, joy, joy, happy, happy. I believe I only have to go down about an inch. Watch your ears, guys. Ain't enough left that blade to do anything. I guess it's time to change it. I like to use my blade as long as I can. Does it show or what? That should work a bit better. Yeah. There. Now we should have no problems. All right, watch yours, guys. You ain't gonna bend off, are you, you bugger? Oh well. Guess you gotta turn it over anyways, don't we? Another piece of plastic forgot about. Yep, the steel is out of it. Now let's take the other end here. Cut about an inch off of it. All right, bench, I'll lock you down, Vice. Pain in the butt. There. Now we'll try it again. Now let's see. Nope. That's hoping, but that didn't work out for me. There. And there, ladies and gentlemen, is a piece of clean cast. Yippers. So let that cool down. Where's the other piece at? Here it is. Yeah. Pull the wood out of this one. Excuse me. Supper was good. We should harden the wrists. Piece there. Yeah. One more little piece here. Look at that. Now, same deal with this one. About an inch down from here. Watch your ears. And of course, now we gotta flip it over. Cut that last little piece out. Whew. And again, this side here. Yeah. Got about an inch off of it. Here we go. I'll bring down here in a few days to get a good metal blade for my Sawzall. I don't have anything good at the moment. that one is done. Two nice chunky pieces there. I'll take them over here. So many extruder bucket. That's stainless steel there. That's more sheet aluminum. There's a bucket of sheet aluminum here. And there's a bucket outside. And not gonna bore you all, but I got another one to do. So yeah, same as the last piece. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Processed a bit of aluminum here, still going at her. Just don't want to keep you guys for half an hour, y'all take care now. If you have any suggestions for what I should be doing here, or what I'm doing right or wrong, please do so in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Y'all take care. Thanks for being here. Remember, like, subscribe, all that nice stuff, and God bless y'all. Take care.